Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine, and today we are going to study GK. So come to page number 49, that is lesson 42, medical equipments. And in this chapter we are going to study about some medical equipments which help humans to give support in some way to their organs. So let's see. Innovation in medical technology have produced several appliances and instruments that are essential in diagnosis, treatment, prevention and rehabilitation of medical conditions. So there are several innovations that are being done with the help of medical technology. There are so many appliances that have been invented, that have been developed, that are essential for the diagnosis, treatment and prevention and rehabilitation of the medical conditions. So let's see. Write the name of the body organs whose activity is measured and recorded by these instruments. So we will write the name of the organs in the question given over here, of which activity is measured or recorded with this specific equipment. The first one is the electrocardiogram. Now it is a tool that measures and records the electrical activity of the heart. Now this instrument measures the electrical activity of the heart, and the instrument is used for heart. Next is second one. Okay, now this is the sphygmomanometer, and it is used to measure the blood pressure. Now this machine is used for measuring the blood pressure, so we will write over here blood and use for pressure, measuring the pressure. Next is over here is a ventilator. Now this machine supports breathing. Now, and breathing is done with the help of which organ? That is lungs. Okay, so do the rest of them by yourself. Come to next chapter, that is lesson number 43. Okay, great inventions and great inventors. So in this chapter some of the great inventions are given and some of the great inventors are just being given, and you have to match these great inventors with their great inventions. So the first one is John Logie Bird. Now John Logie Bird discovered or invented what? He invented television. So we will write over here 1, or you write over here F. Second one is Alexander Graham Bell. Now Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Very simple. Second, B. Third, G. Marconi. Now he invented radio, and so we will write over here 3 and E over here. Okay, do the rest of them by yourself as your homework. Come to next chapter, that is lesson 44, diseases. Okay, now what is a disease? A disease is an abnormal condition that disturbs the proper functioning of a body. Okay, whenever a disease occurs, it is an abnormal condition that disturbs the normal body functioning. And disease are spread in different ways. Some disease can be controlled and defeated by the body immune system. Okay, now there are diseases that spread in different ways: communicable, non-communicable. Some can be controlled, some cannot be controlled. Some can be defeated, some can be cured, but some cannot be cured by our immune system. So more serious disease may need drug treatment in order to cure them. So the serious disease is for that serious disease we need drug treatments in order to cure them. So let's see. Now name the disease by reading out the description using the given clues. So over here some clues are given, and you have to find out the disease of which these symptoms are given. The first one is frequent emptying of bowel. Now if this means going to washroom like frequently, and the name of the disease is diarrhea. Okay. Second one is disease of the gums causing them to shrink and loosening of the teeth. Now in this disease, gums goes into the shrinkage state, and the teeth start losing, and the name of the disease is pyorrhea. Yeah. Okay. Next one is serious infectious disease of the throat. Now this disease normally occurs in the throat, and the name of the disease is diphtheria. Okay. Next one is disease caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. Now this is a disease that is caused by this virus, that is immunodeficiency virus, and the name of the disease is AIDS. Okay, so do the rest of them as your homework. Come to the next chapter, that is My Friend Computer. So in this one chapter, some of the images are given. These are the some parts of computer that are shown, and you have to take the correct one. So first one is, in computer games it is used to control objects on the screen. Now whenever you are playing a computer game, this one of the three is used to control the objects, and this is the joystick. The name of this is joystick. Second one is, it is a longest key on the keyboard. Now the longest key on the keyboard is a space bar, that gives space. Next is, it is a device which connects two computers together through telephone lines. Now it is a device that connects the two computer, and this device is modem. Now name of the device is modem. Okay, so do the rest of them as your homework. Come to the next chapter, that is lesson number 46, Indian institutions. Now when you grow up, you may join some educational institution for higher education or for higher studies. Now whenever you just grow up after 9th or 10th, you will join some higher some institutions for your further studies. So we are going to study about some of the Indian institutions that are very famous. So the first one is, where is the All India Institute of Medical Science situated? Now where is AIIMS? You can also say it AIIMS. Where is All India Institute of Medical Science situated? Now this institution is situated in Delhi. Next is, and there you study about the medical science. Second one is, if your brother was studying economics at St. Stephen's College, in which city would he be residing? Now the St. Stephen College is in Delhi. Next, now these institutions are better known as IIMA, IIMB, IIMK. Now they are mainly IIM. What does the IIM stand for? Now IIM stands for